Hey guys, what's up? This is Atomic Man, and today I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm actually gonna be showing you how to set up a Bukkit Hamachi server. The reason why I'm doing this is because I always get a bunch of people asking me, "Hey Atomic, do you have a server? If you do, we can make some videos together." Blah blah blah. Um, so today I thought that I was just gonna show you how. So first you're gonna need a couple things. You're actually gonna need to go to bukkit.org/craftbucket. Oh, excuse me. And these are the build lists. These are basically the official code for the server. Um, so you're gonna want to go into recommended build and find one of these for the version that you're in. We're in 1.4.7 as of now, so you're going to want to click and download that. Um, when you download it, it'll look like this. It says Craft Bucket 1.4.2 slash R01, except it'll say 1.4.7. What you're going to want to do is just click and rename it Craft Bucket, and then double click. And you'll see that all this stuff comes up. It sounded like I said crap bucket, didn't it? All this stuff will come up, and I don't know, okay. And this is the actual server files. So what I'm gonna do is make a folder called server, and then drag some of the stuff in here. And see, some of it won't let you because it's working in Java. So you can hit Control Alt Delete, open a task manager, processes, and then find Java W, which is right here. Java W.exe, just end it, and then you can drag your stuff in there. Whitelist, ops, and I'll show you what all this is. So this is pretty much just your Bukkit stuff. And then you're going to want to drag your craft bucket file in there also. So pretty much what we did so far is we downloaded this Java file. We double clicked it and took these and made these files and we put them in a folder. Now what you're going to want to do is, since you want to be able to start and stop your server easily, this is my server file, you're going to want a run file. So how you get the run file is you go to Bukkit. Whoa. Oh, my mom was looking at swimsuits. um, yeah. So go to back to Bukkit, get craft bucket, and if you have Windows, you're gonna want to copy this code right here. And then it says things for Linux and Mac right here also. So if I'm in Windows, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new text document and call it run.bat. And then I'm going to paste the code in there, save as run.bat, all files, save. Yes. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes you just have to name it run. Took me a while to actually get it. So yeah, you can mess with that. And anyway, you do type in run.bat, and it will give you, wrong file, it'll make this run file right here. So let's see, I'm gonna copy it and paste it and put it in there. So you name it run, and eventually it will give you a batch file. So now when you double click it, it'll open up a terminal, and this is your actual server right here. This is where you can do anything. You can do ban, kick, mess with your plugins, So, oh, also you can type just stop, and it'll stop the server, or you can just exit out. But anyway, um, now that you've got, this is pretty much all you need for your server file. You're gonna want to go into server, and this is when you have to do the IP. So when I said Bukkit Hamachi, Hamachi is basically just a private network system, and you can go to logmein.com and then go to Hamachi, and you can try it free. I wouldn't buy it; it's not worth it. Um, and then I have it right here. So you click it, and you can make a network so your friends can join. But this is your IP address right here, up at the top. So then you pretty much go right here, server IP, and I'm just gonna copy mine, 25.9.196.129. Right here, this is a port. You can change it. MOTD is basically what it says for all players at the bottom. I'll change it to server tutorial. And spawn monsters false. Game mode 1. Difficulty 1. PvP. So this is where you can basically set everything. Command blocks. It says command blocks somewhere. Oh well. So that's where you can mess with it. And then once you have your IP in there, all you have to do is hit run. Go into Minecraft. And then direct connect for 25.9.196.129. You don't have to direct connect, but I'm just going to. Let's see if it's done. Yep. And there you go. You're pretty much on your server. And see, I wanted people to be in creative. They're in creative. I don't think it'll spawn monsters unless you just spawn egg. No, it won't work. Um, so yeah, that's your server. Um, so you can just leave it like that if you want. But now, the reason that why I like Bukkit is because you can use plugins. We pretty much all know what plugins are. They let you do certain things. So I'm just gonna type in plugin list, Bukkit plugin search, and there are some essential plugins that you might want. I like to use one called World Edit. So if I can find World Edit, and you just click it and then just download it. While my internet is being slow. Anyway, I already have World Edit right here. Uh, World Edit. So it'll again, got the wrong one. It'll be a Java file like this, and then you just drag them into here. So I have a couple plugins like Werewolf is a plugin that's cool. Um, Head spawner. So you can just put your plugins in there and then hit run. And I'm just gonna show you how some of these plugins work. Okay, and just join. Okay, so we're still in the same place. So you can type in slash plugins, and I'll tell you that we have 3 plugins. Head spawner, you type in slash head atomic creeper man. Oh, I don't have permission. I have to opt myself. And I opt myself in the terminal so now I can get ahead. And there's my head. I can do Sky the Kid, which RS, which is Sky Does Minecraft. Um, there we go. Sometimes it lags. You can do Hero Run. And that's that one. World Edit is where you get an axe, and this is how you can build fast. So you right click right click there, left click there, and there's so many commands, but I'm gonna do replace wood, and it replaces it with wood. I'm gonna go from here to here. And you might want to be careful because people can really grief with this. Like that. Like look how, you know how long that would take you? Especially if you go like from here. Um, all the way down to like a cave like this. Just gonna go down a little. And then do slash replace sponge. And it replaces like a whole bunch of crap with sponge. So you gotta be careful with that one. And then werewolf is where you get um like bit by a dog, so I'll show you. And then it says, ouch, that felt really strange. Times set 4,000. And then when it's a full moon, you will turn into a werewolf. It's night and you suddenly feel good. Use howl to growl. Use growl to howl. A wild wolf joins your pack. And now I can jump really high. I have night vision. Um, I can do howl and stuff, and it'll make a noise to other people. Um, so that's really cool. So that's how you make your own server. Hamachi is easy to find to do. I know that I really didn't uh, show that really good, but um, you can find a easy tutorial on that. I hope you guys like this. I hope it helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and I will answer them, because I have been running my own Bukkit Hamachi server for a while, and I pretty much know the ropes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.